Hey, what's up guys? El Viajero Sin Fronteras. Welcome back to my videos. I'm right here in Santa Nela, fishing for stripers again. I hope that you guys are having an amazing fishing day. I'm right here. They've been biting a lot. I haven't catch anything yet. I just started fishing about a half an hour ago. They've been biting, big time bites. They've been pulling very hard. So I hope I can catch something good today for you guys. So you can see, thank you for following me. Thank you for subscribing in my videos. And give it a thumbs up, like and share, please. Thank you very much. Bear with me. I show you what I'm gonna catch in a few minutes. Okay, because I know there is a lot of fishing here right now. It's awesome because it's biting like crazy. But it's kind of hard to get a fish right now. But eventually it will come. Okay, you see how it moves? That's where they're biting. I'm gonna record it for a little bit. Hey guys, El Viajero Sin Fronteras again. I am about to pick up everything. It's been good biting, but not a big ones. I mean, I show you guys one that I catch, probably 5-6 inches, very little baby. So I'm gonna move up. I'm gonna go to the next lake on top, and we'll see how everything is over there. Over here, all these fish over here, a lot of salmons. I see all these fish is going all the way down to Bakersfield. They're gonna go to a lake over there called Quail Lake up in Bakersfield. But anyway, I'm done in this spot, so I'm gonna move up and we'll see. So you guys can take a look of this. I'm gonna show you guys the lake, see how it is. Okay, look at guys, this is beautiful. It's been very good, but now it's getting at the point that the water is too cold and they're not biting anymore. The big ones just passing by. But you guys can see this. It's beautiful. I still got my fishing poles on the water, so I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna move up. Look at it, all the way to the hills. I'm gonna go all the way to the hills over there on top. That's where the other lake is. Okay, so I see you guys in a little bit. Okay, look at guys, that's a nice beautiful striper. Woo, man, that is beautiful stripers, guys. Damn, está grandísimo. Ah, su madre, ¿cuánto crees que tiene?
Unos 26,
24.
unos 25, 26.
La, la.
Ahí está.
Déjamelo. ¿No le haces? ¿Quiere salir en YouTube? Si no, pues lo filmo yo.
Está bien, fíjate usted.
¿Ah? ¿Está bien? Déjame pues.
Cuidado con el gancho ahí.
No.
¿Me lo quito?
No, ahí está bien. No, ya lo quitas, se va. Hey guys, look at this one. Right in the afternoon, the striper just came off. It's about 26 inches. Man, beautiful striper, guys. Awesome fish. Okay, they are here. So let's continue fishing. Stay tuned with me. You guys gonna see some more. Yes, cayó con el pescadito. Simón. Asque.
Gracias.
Hey guys, this is another striper right now, right here. You guys can take a look. Look at over here. It's also 22 inches. Piece of cake striper. Look at it, guys. I mean, I cannot complain. It's beautiful striper. Oh wow. Look at it. It's awesome. Very nice. Muy bonitos pescados. Hoy sí están saliendo. Chingones. Tan perros. Órale, guys. Mírenlos bien. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for following me, guys. Gracias por seguirme. Aquí andamos en la pesca de stripers. Gracias, morro. Están cayendo bonito.